Hi everyone, this is Rahini from Sir Isaac Newton CBSE and Metric School, Papakovil, Nagapattinam. In this quarantine day, we like to do something useful for you. So we have joined our hands with the NTN channel to make something interesting. And in these days, we are facing two main problems. The first one is COVID-19. Is in future, we are going to live with COVID-19. And the next problem is it's a hot sunny season. Is it's too hot, so to beat the hot sunny day and to raise immune power, it's essential to add fruits in your food. Before we are moving into the program, you just call your children, sit together, watch together till the end. Let's begin the program. Can you able to guess this answer? P plus year. What fruit? You just think it off. I guess the answer P plus year. It's pear. I think most of you found the answer. Next one is water plus M plus line. I guess this answer. It has 92% of water in its fruit. In this fruit, it's watermelon. Actually, it cleans the kidney, so you can eat this fruit in this hot sunny day. And the next one is man plus G-O, go. I guess the answer. Can you able to guess this answer? Man plus go. It's yellow color fruit. It's mango. And the fourth one is GR plus monkey. I'll give another one clue. Monkey is also another kind of monkey is ape. So GR plus ape. Actually, this fruit is good for health. The name of the fruit is grapes. This is ape, so grapes. And the fifth fruit is this is on symbol plus ANA. I'll give the clue. This is a symbol called ban. So just think about it. What's the fruit? It is ban plus ana, banana. The next fruit is, it's tree, and this is apple, but I think it's pine tree. So just think about it. I think you guessed the answer. Yes, it's pineapple. The next fruit is cocoa plus this one. What is this? I think it's nut. So cocoa plus nut. Let's see what's the answer. Actually, this fruit raise your immune power. Let's see. It's coconut. I think you already guessed this answer. So the next fruit is, what is this? It is in rectangular shape and it is in orange color. Can you able to find the answer? What fruit it is? I guess the answer. It is a high fiber rich fruit. Is it is orange. And the next fruit is, it is straw in the bottle plus berry. Can you able to guess the answer? I think it's straw plus berry. So what will be the answer? Is it's strawberry. And guess the next fruit. I think it is daddy with a son, with a son plus YA. This is a child. So what the answer will be? Let's see the answer. Oh, it is papaya. So papaya is the fruit. It is a best antibacterial fruit. And guess the next fruit. What is this? It is money plus you, or what is this? Can you guess? It is somewhat difficult for me to find. Money. Yeah, it's cashew nuts. It's cashew. High blood pressure patient can use this cashew nuts. And the next one is car plus berry. No, next fine. It is in blue color. So blue plus berry. What will be the answer? Let's see the answer. It's blueberry. Students who all are preparing for your competitive exam, you can eat this blueberry. And the next one is, it's I think calendar, January month. What will be the fruit? I didn't found the answer. Can you able to guess? I think it's, yeah, it's dates. Pregnant ladies may eat dates. It is good for your health. And the next one is mobile plus LE. So what will be the fruit? Let's see what mobile. Samsung? No. Is it app? And there are a lot of apps here. So app plus L. Yes, it's Apple. I think most of you found the answer. And the next fruit is palm plus, what is this? I think it's granite. Let's see the answer. I have found the answer. Did you find? It's a pomegranate. It's pomegranate. And the next fruit is, what is this? It's a bird. I think it's a kiwi bird. So the name of the fruit is, let's see the answer. I think most of you found the answer for this. Let's see. It's a kiwi bird. So the fruit is, one of the fruit is kiwi. So it's kiwi fruit. And the next fruit is sugar plus apple. There are a lot of kinds of apples are there. So can you guess this answer? I'll give time. It's a sugar apple. It is very tasty. So it's sugar apple. I think you have enjoyed this session. Eat fruits, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.